Hi, today I want to show you how I'm going to clean my aluminum screen patio. This is something that I did about 10 years ago, and I think it's time to do it again. As you can see, my aluminum frame is starting to have aluminum oxidation. The paint is peeling off, so basically the process is very simple. Basically all you have to do is just to take a metal brush and just remove all the oxidation and peeling paint. Then I'll just have to prime it with aluminum primer and then paint it with black paint. In some of those spots where you can see a lot of corrosion, I have a special gel called Tef gel that prevents corrosion like this. I'm just gonna apply it around it, and probably within a day or two I'm gonna have the whole project finished. Of course, first I need to remove the screen to start working on the frame. Okay, and now I'm using my metal brush installed on the drill to remove all the oxidation, all the peeling paint. So basically you just have to work and clean entire surface. And all the old paint is roughened up a little bit, so then when you paint it, the paint would stick on it. For hard to reach places, I'm just gonna use regular handheld brush just to get all the oxidation out. Okay, so this is day number 2, and I have removed a bunch of peeling paint. As you can see, there are not a lot of places where actually the paint was peeling off, mostly right here in the middle and right here. From here up, it is pretty gold. So the next step is just to dust it off and get ready for priming and painting. So I've prepared all the surfaces. Everything is ready to paint. Of course, you have to put a little masking tape so you have no overspray, and everything is ready to be primed. For this purpose, I'm using Rust-Oleum aluminum primer. This is primer that is specially designed for aluminum. After priming all the frames and letting it dry for about a day, now today I paint it, and I paint it with my brush instead of sprayer paint for a couple of reasons. First of all, I noticed that 10 years ago when I was painting with my spray paint, the spray paint looks really nice, but I would like this to last a little bit longer than last time, and I don't want that paint to peel as easy. So I decided that painting with the brush is gonna give me a little bit thicker coat than with sprayer. Of course, it's not gonna look as pretty, but so what I'm going for is long-lasting paint without peeling. So this is my first coat. I'm going to apply a second coat, and for this project I used Rust-Oleum black paint, oil-based. Oil is gonna last longer than latex, and outside that paint is gonna last longer. And after applying 2 coats, I'm hoping it will last much longer than last time. And today is the last day of my project. I've already put a first coat of the paint on my aluminum frames. Everything looks great, and today I'm gonna put a second coat, and basically that's the end of the project. So remember, the most important thing is to prepare the surface properly, remove all the oxidation, and then put 1 or 2 coats of paint. Hopefully this will stay on perfectly for the next 10 years or so, and that's how we can protect your aluminum frames or whatever is made out of aluminum. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.